This one.
Yes, hello. So you've invited me in today to have a look at your work, right?
Work decide.
So you've been baking cakes. I believe you've been baking cakes. Is that true?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So could you tell me, was you involved in this?
Yes, I was.
Okay, so you were involved. Okay. And somebody else was involved too. Can you name me that person? Excuse me, it's okay. You can just tell me that you were involved or not. Was you involved?
I was involved too.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, can we let the audience view the video, please? The people on television that are actually watching it right now. Okay. So, what was the name of this cake? What did you call it?
No.
What was it called?
Toasty.
Okay. Now, I believe that the cakes are this size, aren't they? So, what are they called? Are they cupcakes? Can you please explain? Okay. And what ingredients did you use? Can you please explain?
Let me think. Sugar.
Okay, so you use sugar. So basically, excuse me. She says she used sugar. Okay. What else?
Eggs.
Eggs also. Yes.
Flour.
And flour, I believe. Flour. Okay. Flour. Yeah. That was fine. The camera's fine.
What?
Okay. Can you? Okay. And who carried out the baking process? Who was involved?
Me and her. And Mama.
Okay. And
Mama helped a
bit. And your mother too. And could we have a look inside one of them, please?
Yes.
Inside one of the cakes, not inside the table.
That is optional.
Okay, let's have a look. Can you
Whoa.
a bit closer, please?
It's a little bit messy, but once you eat it, it's
so what's in the middle?
The jam is a bit not a very good example.
What's in the middle?
Jam. Wait, it's this one. So there's a jam here and some cream. It used to be nice.
Okay, did you use, what type of flour did you use, please?
It's self-raising flour.
Okay, so is it wholemeal, is it organic, is it ordinary?
Self-raising.
So just normal self-raising flour. Okay, and why did you consider them to be this size? I mean, what's the reason why you wanted them to be this size?
We just wanted to be mini, like, Victoria cakes.
Okay, so you've opted for this particular size for some reason. Okay. They look quite nice. I mean, did you use salt by any chance?
No.
So there's no
salt. And some baking powder.
Okay, so if you were to give these cakes a name and then make sure that they become sellable, you know, in supermarkets, what would you name them?
I am not sure. Mini Victoria sponges. Yes.
Okay, so you'd call them mini Victoria sponges. And do you think people would actually would actually buy them? Would people like to try them out? Would you say?
I would have a little store for trying them out. And if they liked it, they can buy themselves a few. $50 each.
Okay,
I would recommend it too.
We need to put the baby to the test and see what the baby thinks.
She's coming out.
Can I get the baby?
Where's my Fredo?
Baby test. Baby test.
Cody's coming. It's blocking my face.
Okay. Right, okay. Okay, we're going to leave it out there.